In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp for social media marketing. Whether you're promoting a new product, sharing an update, or simply trying to engage your audience, Mailchimp makes it easy to create and schedule posts for multiple platforms all in one place. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard, which is essentially your home base for all things Mailchimp. From here, you can manage your campaigns, track analytics, and of course, create content. It's a user-friendly spot to kick off any marketing project. Now, let's move on to creating your social media content. Near the top of the page, you'll see a button with a plus icon labeled Create. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a menu of content options, and you'll want to select Social Post. This tells Mailchimp that you're ready to create a post specifically for your connected social media platforms. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter a campaign name. This name is for internal use only, so it doesn't have to be anything fancy, but it should be descriptive enough that you can easily find and reference it later. For example, if you're creating a post for a winter sale, you might name it something like Winter Sale Promo. Once you've entered the name, click Begin to open the campaign builder. Now you're in the campaign builder, where the real magic happens. The first thing to do here is decide which social networks you'd like to post on. Mailchimp can post directly to Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly known as Twitter. If you've connected these accounts to Mailchimp, you'll see a toggle switch next to each one. Simply turn on the switch for the platforms you'd like this post to appear on. It's a great way to save time by posting to multiple platforms at once. Once you've selected your platforms, click Save and continue to move on to the next step. Here's where you'll craft your marketing message. In the text box provided, type out what you'd like to say to your audience. Be clear, engaging, and concise. Remember that each platform has different character limits and styles, so try to tailor your message accordingly. Next, let's talk visuals. A great social media post often includes an eye-catching image or graphic. To add one, click Browse, which will open your Content Studio. From here, you can upload a new file or select one you've already stored in Mailchimp. Choose something that complements your message and grabs attention. Pro tip: if you're using text in your image, make sure it's easy to read, even on smaller screens, before moving forward. It's important to review how your post will look on each platform. Mailchimp provides a preview feature that lets you see how your content will appear on Facebook, Instagram, and X. This is the perfect time to double-check formatting, image cropping, and overall layout. If something doesn't look quite right, you can make adjustments before moving on when you're happy with how everything looks. Click Save and Continue. You'll now be presented with two options: publish your post immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. If you're ready to go live, simply select Publish and your post will be sent out right away. Alternatively, if you want your post to go live at a specific time, like during peak engagement hours, choose Schedule. Mailchimp will let you pick the exact date and time, giving you full control over your posting strategy. And that's it. You've successfully created and scheduled a social media post using Mailchimp. It's a straightforward process that saves time and ensures your content reaches your audience across multiple platforms. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.